What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Logitech Z207 speakers. Alright, so to open this you just gotta peel the tape off. Not gonna lie, these are quite a bit bigger than I thought they were gonna be. So in the box you got some paperwork, but we're not gonna need that. So in the brown box we got some cords. Here are the speakers themselves. Alright, so you just peel all the plastic off. Alright, so now that we got everything out of the box and out of the plastic, let's set it up. Alright, so here's my computer and let's connect the speakers to it. They are honestly a lot bigger than I thought. Okay, so you first gotta plug in the power supply right here. Bam. Alright, so afterwards you plug in the aux cord. So you plug this into your computer. You can choose any device you want to connect it to, but in this case I'm going to use my computer. So it's basically the port in the middle. Bam, like that. Alright, so you just plug it into your computer's like headphone jack pretty much. Also guys, just ignore the wires for now because I'll cable manage later on. Let's do an audio test, hear how it sounds. Alright, well honestly the audio sounds super crisp. One downside with these speakers is there's no subwoofer, so you're not going to hear those super bassy noises, but besides that the audio is super crisp. So basically after plugging everything in, you're just going to want to move this, rotate this to the right side, and then it'll pop on. So basically you can control the volume through this dial. Another button you can click is this button. This is the Bluetooth button, so you can click that button to pair it with other devices. And yes, you can, after connecting with Bluetooth, you can switch between devices super quickly, but for this video I'm not going to be using Bluetooth. Also, this port allows you to connect like headphones, so if you sometimes want to use your headphones instead of the speakers, you have the option of doing that. By the way guys, you can use this cord to connect to any device you want, as long as it has the 3.5mm jack, which I do with the adapter. And yeah, you can basically just play songs from your phone and hear on the speakers. Yeah, so honestly, this is really nice. All in all, like, these speakers sound really solid, very crispy sounds, and everything just sounds super nice. Even though it's not super bassy, it's still a super nice pair of desktop speakers, and you can connect it to any device you want. So honestly, I would definitely recommend it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and setup video of these speakers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.